In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your slides or match your presentation to a specific event or style, changing themes is a quick and effective way to make an impact. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to open your Google Slides presentation. Head over to Google Drive and navigate to the folder where your file is stored. Double-click on the presentation you want to work with to open it. It's always a good idea to ensure you're working in the correct file, especially if you manage multiple presentations. Once your presentation is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see a variety of options designed to modify and enhance your work. Look for the option labeled Slide and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Change Theme. This action will open up a new panel on the right-hand side of your screen. This theme panel is where you'll find a collection of predefined themes that you can apply to your presentation. Take your time and scroll through the options available. As you browse, consider the message and tone of your presentation. Choosing a theme that aligns with your content can reinforce your message and engage your audience more effectively. Once you find a theme that resonates with your vision, simply click on it. You'll notice that the theme is immediately applied across all the slides within your presentation. This seamless switch can enhance the cohesiveness and professional appearance of your work in just a few clicks. Now let's talk about customization, because sometimes the predefined themes just don't fit your needs. If you have a custom theme in mind or another used in a different presentation that you would like to apply, Google Slides has a handy feature for you. Scroll to the bottom of the theme panel and click on Import Theme. This will prompt you to choose another presentation from Google Drive or upload one from your device. Once you've selected the presentation with the preferred theme, you'll see a display of themes used within that file. Click on the one you wish to import. This option is particularly useful if you're working on a series of presentations and want to maintain a consistent look and feel across them all without starting from scratch each time. And there you have it, a new theme that breathes life into your presentation with just a few straightforward steps. Perfecting your Google Slides with the right theme can make your content shine, ensuring your message is both visually appealing and impactful. Whether you choose a built-in option or import a custom one, the fact that you can easily switch it up allows for creative flexibility. Enjoy exploring these options and finding the perfect theme for your next presentation.